Just a short humming train ride from the steel and glass heart of Kuala Lumpur, the urban landscape begins to soften. The concrete jungle gives way to pockets of lush greenery, and then you see it. A glint of impossible gold against a towering limestone cliff. This is your first glimpse of Batu Caves, a destination that is less a tourist attraction and more a full-body sensory experience. It's a place where nature, faith, and a healthy dose of playful chaos collide. Your journey truly begins at the feet of a titan. Standing at a colossal 140 feet, the golden statue of Lord Murugan is the tallest in the world, dedicated to the Hindu deity. It's a breathtaking sight, a silent, powerful guardian watching over the millions of pilgrims and travelers who arrive at his post. Bathed in the Malaysian sun, the statue isn't just a landmark. It's a statement of faith, a masterpiece of devotion that seems to radiate a palpable energy. Standing beneath it, with the sheer limestone karsts rising behind, you feel wonderfully, profoundly small. But Lord Murugan is not just a greeter, he is the gatekeeper to the main event, the 272 steps that ascend to the temple cave. In 2018, these concrete steps were transformed into a vibrant, cascading rainbow of color. Each step is painted in a brilliant hue, creating a psychedelic stairway to the heavens that has become an iconic image of Malaysia. The climb is, without a doubt, a workout. The tropical humidity clings to you as you ascend, your heart thumping in a rhythm that matches the distant beat of temple drums. Yet the journey upward is anything but a solitary slog. You are part of a moving mosaic of humanity. Devotees carrying offerings, families laughing and encouraging one another, and travelers from every corner of the globe, all sharing in the same vertical pilgrimage. Along the way, you'll meet the true residents and self-appointed toll collectors of Batu Caves, the long-tailed macaques. These monkeys are the living, breathing soul of the place, equal parts charming and audacious. They perch on the railings, groom each other under the shade of trees, and watch the endless parade of visitors with intelligent, calculating eyes. A word of warning: they are masters of opportunity. Hold on to your sunglasses, secure your snacks, and be ready for a close encounter. They are a wild, unforgettable part of the ecosystem here, a reminder that this sacred space is also very much alive. Reaching the top of the 272nd step feels like a genuine accomplishment. You turn back to see a stunning panoramic view of Kuala Lumpur's skyline shimmering in the distance, a modern world viewed from an ancient perch. But the true reward lies ahead. You step from the bright, searing sunlight into the cool, cavernous embrace of the Temple Cave, also known as Cathedral Cave. The change is instantaneous. The air cools, sounds echo against the soaring limestone walls, and your eyes adjust to the dim light. The cavern is immense, with a ceiling that arches nearly 300 feet above you. Sunlight filters through a large opening in the roof, illuminating the ornate Hindu shrines nestled within. This is the heart of Batu Caves, a functioning temple that has been a site of worship for over a century. The scent of incense hangs in the air, mingling with the earthy smell of damp limestone. Here, the spiritual significance of your climb becomes clear. It's a space for quiet reflection, where the grandeur of nature serves as the ultimate cathedral. While the Temple Cave is the main attraction, the complex holds other secrets. The Ramayana Cave, located at the base of the hill, tells the epic Hindu tale of Rama through vibrant, life-size dioramas. For the more adventurous, the Dark Cave, when open, offers guided eco-tours into a preserved cavern system, teeming with rare bats and insects. A different kind of natural wonder. A trip to Batu Caves is a quintessential Malaysian experience. It's more than just a photo opportunity or a tick on a travel checklist. It's a physical challenge that rewards you with spiritual and natural beauty. It's a journey that takes you from the shadow of a golden god, up a stairway of impossible color, and into the sacred heart of a mountain. And as you descend those 272 steps, past the watchful eyes of the macaques and back toward the modern world, You'll carry a piece of its ancient, vibrant energy with you. It's a perfect, awe-inspiring day trip from Kuala Lumpur that connects you to the powerful soul of Malaysia.